Hello everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 25th June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news. National news. India started hosting the 11th BRICS Energy Ministers meeting in Gurugram today. Ministers from 11 member countries are discussing energy security, clean energy and sustainable development. Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla is continuing his historic mission to the International Space Station as part of the Axiom 4 mission. International news. India's External Affairs Minister Jaishankar is visiting South Korea today to strengthen ties and enhance cooperation between the two countries. Today, 25th June, the world observes the Day of the Seafarer, honoring seafarers for their important contribution to global trade and the world economy. Karnataka State news. New crest gates at the Tungabhadra Dam are being inaugurated today. Leaders from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are attending the ceremony, which aims to improve water storage and support farmers. Sports news. Lionel Messi became the all-time leading goal scorer in FIFA World Cup history after scoring twice in Argentina's 2-0 win over Austria. Thought of the day. What we think, we become. Buddha. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.